You need to eat foods like egg yolk, which is rich in choline, on a regular basis. There's another reason. Because a new study shows that if you eat a lot of food rich in cholines, it's a situation where future generations are suffering from Alzheimer's dementia due to a lack of cholines. That's because it turns out that you can still be protected. These studies are based on state universities in Tempe, Arizona, the United States, and in Phoenix. It's a joint team at the Genomics Institute that has the Alzheimer's gene. It was carried out on mice. In the study, a group of rats were fed a rich food source of choline. After giving regular food to other groups, I researched it and found that as I got older, it has been confirmed that the activity of the brain changes. Specifically, in the case of mice with a choline-rich diet, whose ancestry is on the mother's side, it has been confirmed that changes caused by brain diseases rarely occur until the next generation. The human body can synthesize some choline, but to maintain the healthy functioning of the cells, we need to eat enough through food. Choline is egg yolk, chicken, liver, broccoli, nuts, and as a nutrient rich in seeds. B. Essential nutrients for brain development. Choline is also an essential substance used in cell structure. Choline is also a substance that helps other nutrients to be supplied throughout the body. Choline is also a memory, mood, and neurotransmitter needed to move muscles. Be made of acetylcholine. Surprisingly, however, choline's brain protective effects are transmitted to the next generation. This news may be of great importance to those who care about nutritious food, because their efforts are not only for themselves, but also for preventing brain diseases in their children. It's because it's a helpful story. If a pregnant woman lacks choline intake, the problem with fetal brain growth is not only does it happen, but it also slows down walking and speaking. Choline is also essential for the normal flow of bile. Choline also helps facilitate fat metabolism in the liver and helps cell membranes. It is also an ingredient of phosphatidylcholine that is used to make it strong. If homocysteine levels are high, Alzheimer's dementia is twice as likely. It goes up like this. But in a state rich in cholines, homocysteine, which causes problems in the brain, is harmless. It can be converted to methionine, an amino acid. This principle is that choline, it's a way to prevent Alzheimer's from developing. Another mechanism that choline prevents Alzheimer's is that cells that overreact. Because it helps reduce inflammation. Cells work to clean up waste that builds up in the brain. If these cells become dysfunctional, the brain becomes inflamed. Choline relieves the inflammation that causes these problems, so cells can be normalized. I can help it work. Researchers looked at the hippocampus part of the mouse brain and found that cells overreacted when choline was supported. Homocysteine levels and beta amyloid production in both generations 1 and 2. It has been confirmed that it has decreased. Researchers say choline supplementation could be used as a complex dementia prevention measure for the next generation. I've come to a conclusion.